Lesson 10, number 3, Modern Education. It has been said that the differences in people from various countries throughout the world are not caused by climate, natural resources, or other physical factors, period. The differences are thought to be caused by the type and quality of education provided to the residents of a particular country, period. This is given as the reason why some countries progress while others do not. Paragraph. In ancient times, some countries had rather formal education systems, period. Others had little or no formal education programs, period. Many older civilizations had a type of tutorial system in which promising students were taught individually by recognized scholars, period. Other countries had a type of apprenticeship system in which a young person would work free of charge for a master at a craft in return for learning the details of job, period. Both systems work fairly well, but the basic problem was that only a few students could be educated in these ways, period. Education for the masses hardly existed, paragraph. Even in fairly modern times, education was considered a luxury only for those who could afford the high cost, period. In the past century, a college degree usually represented a rigorous mental exercise in theory, period. No courses of practical value were offered, period. Instead, students concentrated on foreign language, literature, and basic logic, period. While there are practical values in each of these areas, period. Of course, comma, these aspects were not emphasized, paragraph. In more recent times, comma, the practical value of education has been recognized, comma, and courses from business management to automotive repair have made their way into the curriculum, period. When courses such as business management began to appear in school and colleges, comma, many people felt that this type of education was of a low level, period. Students who studied business or any other type of practical subject were sometimes scorned, paragraph. In more modern days, comma, people have come to realize the great value in practical education, period. While educators are certainly not ready to give up the cultural courses of art, comma, history, comma, and literature, comma, they have made room for courses of immediate financial value to students, period. Courses in secretarial administration, comma, management, comma, auditing, comma, and other business fields are now ordinarily included in courses of study, paragraph.